Good morning. Today I'll be talking about my favorite subject, physics. So in physics, I'm going to talk about pressure. Things we are going to learn in pressure, applications of pressure, liquid pressure and atmospheric pressure. Two important applications of pressure. We use a sharp knife to cut things rather than a blunt knife. It is because the edge of the sharp knife has a very small area of contact. This produces a pressure large area to enough to cut through things. Shoulder bags have straps. It is done to increase the surface area of contact and reduce the pressure exerted on the shoulders by the weight of the bag. This is an example image of applications of pressure. So here, when the knife is used to cut anything, a smaller surface will create a larger pressure. Liquid pressure. Liquid pressure exerts equal pressure at the same depth. Liquid pressure increases with increasing depth. So as you can see in this image, this is an example. This is a large area of 3 meters, but this is a small deep pond. So with the increasing pressure, with the increasing depth, the liquid pressure also increases. Measurement of liquid pressure. U-tube manometer is an instrument used to measure the difference in liquid pressure. The image of U-tube is over here. This is the construction of U-tube and how it works. Water in the storage tank is maintained at a high pressure due to the gravitational pull. Atmospheric pressure. The solids and liquids and gases too exert pressure. The Earth's atmosphere is nearly 300 km above the surface of the Earth. The thin blanket of air exerts tremendous pressure on us. This pressure exerted by atmosphere on us is called atmospheric pressure. We can define atmospheric pressure as the force per unit area exerted by the weight of the air. This is an image shown for atmospheric pressure. Look at how few atoms are pressing down on the guy at the top of the mountain. This is the area of low pressure, this is the area of high pressure. Look at all the atoms pressing down on the guy at the bottom of the mountain. Measuring atmospheric pressure. The device used to measure atmospheric pressure is called a barometer. The barometer was first constructed by Evangelista Torricelli, who was a student of Galileo Galilei. This is an image for a barometer. It works like this. This is the degrees and this is the way it is measured. Thanks for watching. Now you will see how I made this presentation. Coming to the starting, you will have a blank layout in Word. So always go to Insert and go to Design tab and go to Page Color. You can select your own favorite color from these following options, from which you can also add page borders. The most appropriate page borders are shadow and 3D. You can apply, and if you want, you can apply some color from these various pages. After you're done with this, go to Insert, go to Shapes and insert a rectangle and then insert a text box. Insert a text box here. They'll give you option. You can select the normal simple text box and type pressure. Once you type pressure, bold the text and go to Formatting. Go to Text, Format and below the text. Go to Google or any other search engine and type the following. Type the text as image of pressure. You will get the following image, or you can choose any image of your choice. Then go to Insert tab and insert Smart Art option. You can select your own favorite smart art. Smart art chart. I have selected this one. You can select whatever you want. There will be several options to enter text. Enter the text and you have a Format tab again. So which says change color. So you can change color as per your convenience. Then insert a rectangle. Go to Insert tab, go to Shapes and insert rectangle and insert a text box. A text box which is a simple text box. Type the following text, darken it, bold it and Go to Format tab again once it appears on the screen and load the following text. You can also use bullet points from the Home tab in these options. Then go to Google and type the following and select your own favorite image. Type the text about liquid pressure and darken the text, bold it and change the color. You can choose your color as per your wish. Then type the following text and you can underline. You have several options for underline. You can choose your own favorite underline options. Type the text and make it into italics. The same follows for all these, and type images and your presentation is ready.